When considering ZupportDesk for your help desk needs, there are 12 important things you should know before making your decision, especially when compared to its competitors. If you're exploring help desk options, you'll want to stick around until the end to see how it stacks up. The first thing to know about ZupportDesk is its user-friendly interface. Unlike some competitors that can overwhelm you with a complex dashboard, ZupportDesk offers an intuitive design that's easy for both agents and admins to navigate. This makes it a great choice for businesses that don't want to spend too much time training their team. Next, ZupportDesk offers multi-channel support, allowing businesses to manage customer interactions through email, chat, social media, and even phone calls all in one place. This feature is comparable to what you find with major competitors, but ZupportDesk stands out with its seamless integration, making it easier to consolidate all customer communication under one roof. The third thing you need to know is its robust reporting and analytics. Unlike some help desk software that offers basic metrics, ZupportDesk provides detailed insights into agent performance, ticket trends, and customer satisfaction. This can be a game changer for businesses that want to optimize their support strategies based on real data. The fourth thing you should consider is ZupportDesk's ticketing system. It lets you manage and prioritize tickets effectively with customizable workflows and automated ticket routing. While other tools may offer similar functionality, ZupportDesk's ease of use in this area makes it stand out. Next, ZupportDesk has powerful automation capabilities. From automated responses to ticket assignments and reminders, this software can save your team significant time. While competitors like Zendesk and Freshdesk offer automation, ZupportDesk's simple setup process and flexibility make it especially appealing for smaller teams or businesses that need a more hands-off solution. Moving on to integrations, ZupportDesk works well with popular tools like Slack, Google Workspace, and CRM platforms. Compared to other options, ZupportDesk's integration library is growing and offers essential tools for streamlined workflows. However, if you're using a more niche tool, you might need to check if ZupportDesk supports it. The seventh thing you should know is ZupportDesk's mobile app. If you're managing support on the go, the app is sleek and functional, providing all the essential features you'd expect from the desktop version. While other competitors offer mobile apps, ZupportDesk's app is well-designed and easy to use. The eighth thing to note is the pricing structure. ZupportDesk offers competitive pricing with plans to fit businesses of all sizes. Unlike some alternatives that require long-term contracts or hidden fees, ZupportDesk is transparent with its pricing and doesn't lock you into lengthy commitments, which is a huge advantage for many businesses. Next, the platform offers strong customer support with options like live chat, email support, and a comprehensive knowledge base. This is where ZupportDesk competes directly with other popular tools like Freshdesk and Help Scout, but its response times are consistently praised for being quicker than competitors. The 10th thing to know is its scalability. As your business grows, ZupportDesk can grow with it. It provides both small business solutions and enterprise-grade features without the need for complex upgrades or installations. This scalability is something many competing platforms struggle with, particularly for businesses scaling quickly. The 11th thing to consider is customization. ZupportDesk allows for a good degree of customization, from modifying ticket fields to adjusting workflows to fit your needs. While this is similar to what's offered by competitors, the ease of implementation with ZupportDesk makes it a preferable choice for businesses looking for flexibility without complexity. Finally, ZupportDesk security measures are top-notch. From data encryption to multi-factor authentication, it ensures that your customer data remains safe. While other help desk tools also prioritize security, ZupportDesk's commitment to keeping your information secure makes it a solid choice for businesses concerned with data privacy. So, ZupportDesk is definitely a strong option for help desk software, offering solid features that compete well with other industry leaders. However, if you're looking for a slightly more feature-rich platform with deeper integrations, you may want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free and see if it better suits your needs.